Good morning, everyone. Yet again, I have come another interesting story. The story is about Birbal, one of the nine gems in the court of Akbar the Great. He was known not only for his wit but also for his intellect and presence of mind. So, let's enjoy this story. Birbal the Wise. One day, a rich merchant came to Birbal the Wise. He said to Birbal, I have 7 servants in my house. One of them has stolen my bag of precious pearls. Please find out the thief. So Birbal went to the rich man's house. He called all the 7 servants in the room. He gave a stick to each one of them. Then he said, These are magic sticks. Just now, all these sticks are equal in length. Keep them with you and return them to me tomorrow. If there is a thief in the house, his stick will grow an inch longer by tomorrow. The servant who had stolen the bag of pearls was frightened. He thought, if I cut a piece of 1 inch from my stick, I won't be caught. So he cut the stick and made it short by an inch. The next day, Birbal collected the sticks from the servants. He found that one servant's stick was short by an inch. Birbal pointed his finger at him and said, Here is the thief. The servant confessed his crime. He returned the bag of pearls. He was sent to jail. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more such fun filled stories. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.